DJ Game, man. Back at it again with another video, man. So today, man, we're going to be going to the gun range, man. And we're going to go get some shots up and get some targets going on. And, man, let's get to it, man. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. So we're going to be looking for some bullets. We're going to be looking for some 9mm bullets to go shoot out of my Glock 43x, guys. So let's go through these bullets right here. Bullets. Let me see. What are 9mm bullets? Look at that 10mm, 9mm Luger. There we go right here, guys. Found the 9mm bullets. And I might be looking for another clip, guys. There you go. Alright, guys. We got some ARs. Some nice ARs on here. What's this? PG. That bad boy is crazy. Look at this one. We got an R. A lot of R's over here. I gotta come here and do some research on these bad boys. And right here, guys, we do have one of the biggest Glocks in the store, man.
P80.
You guys have to come and try it out. Bulldog Firearms in Rio Rancho.
Yeah,
on Southern. Bulldog Firearms on Southern and Rio Rancho.
Big pump. Look at this P80 though. This is a pump. This is what y'all see on Fortnite.
This is real life, guys. You guys have to come shop. Have to. They have stuff that you guys would never see.
Heavy, bro. This
Golly.
Yeah. This is what y'all see on Fortnite.
That's Fortnite. That's a hard sniper on Fortnite.
Yeah.
That's the hardest sniper. Let's go. Over there with a shotgun and stuff. Hey,
look at that bit. And let me hold that little right here.
Look at that, boy.
Yeah, it's a little small.
Yeah. Something I ain't never seen before in my life. It's called, this a Kill Tech 12 gauge. It's a 12 gauge too. Kill Tech. That is really nice, guys. You guys have to come shop at Bulldog Firearms at Rio Rancho and Southern, man. Look, they have some stuff you guys ain't never seen. Look at this. Woo! Boom, 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 boom.
That's the high point.
That's a high point, huh?
Yeah, I want to grab that.
What's this? They got rapid fire.
Damn.
That's nice.
That bitch got a suppressor.
What's good, guys? Back here again with another video, man. Today we're gonna be shooting the Glock 43x, man. Yeah, man, it's my Glock 43x, man. My personal weapon, man. My go-to, man. This is my concealed carry right here. That's what I carry with me on my purse, pocket rocket. Yes, sir. Let's get into it, baby. Right now, my magazine round, 19. And then we got this one. We got two of these bad boys, hold 10, so that's 20. 40 rounds, easy. Alright, YouTube. Today we're gonna be shooting the Syntec action pistol. Second the room, guys.
Second the room up. Hey, that 300 blackout ain't even started yet.
Guys, now it's time for me to go shoot the 43x, my personal weapon. And let's show you guys what this bad boy can do. All right, guys, let's get to it. As you guys can know, man, I just lit this man up, guys. As you can see, I got 3 headshots, 2 body shots, and I got 1 off the grid. Let's go, man. You know, man, it's that 300 blackout, man. This thing stopped cars right here, man. As you guys can see, this bad boy will blow your eardrums off. Let me make sure I put this on, man. You guys ready for this? Cause I'm ready.
I don't think they ready. Yeah, that big bad boy.
Hold on, Trey. Hold on. Let me record.
That big bad boy.
Yeah, they finna buck that 300 blackout.
There you go.
Y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready?
Oh my God.
Take action pistol. As you guys can see, I have my Glock 43x here. I'm gonna show you guys that the clear clip doesn't jam, guys. It doesn't jam. So I did oil it and I did change the spring out and everything like that. But you guys, see, I got my Glock 43x here, guys. Oh man! You hear that, guys? Them guys got some full power over there. But let me show them guys what I'm working with. I have it too close to your face like that.
You gotta have the gun. Yeah, down range.
Put it.
Ready, Jake?
Bro.
Shocking to you guys. Oh, it is.
As you guys can see, man, I'm still here at the range. I got a clear clip for my Glock 43x. My favorite gun that I have. One of the best guns that you can open. And I'll show you guys how this bad boy can get down. Let's go. That's music to my ears, guys. As you guys can see, I'm about to try to break his face off. Let's get it. Woo! right, thank you guys for watching, man. That's it for this video, man. If you guys liked and enjoyed this video, man, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, man. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, man. And we out.